morning. It is another morning in my life. This was not the planned video for you guys. I went to edit the video that was supposed to go up a couple days ago, and my files just would not transfer to my hard drive. It kept saying that the memory card was disconnecting, but then like 2 seconds later it would reconnect after it was a whole thing. I was upset. So we're filming this video kind of to refilm everything that I said in that video. Oh, hello, Bubby. Let me fix your bed. I feel like you guys haven't seen him in a while. Right, Bubba? So I had filmed like a Sunday get ready with me, and there I just shared some life updates. Move my hair out the way. So now I'm refilming it. So basically, I got a new job, which is great. It's wonderful. I am no longer working nights, so that's been nice. With the schedule though, I am missing out on a few things since I'm working like second shift, so I'm kind of missing out on all the things during the week that are in the evenings. But so I'm just going to be we're going to do 2 separate books, 2 separate groups during the week, so I'm just going to be finishing those on my own. I'm excited for the new job. It's different than what I've done previously. You guys know I worked as a graphic designer for about 5 years, and then I moved to a hospital and was just working as a tech there, and that's why I was working third shift, and it was a little rough. This job is still in healthcare, but it's very different. So it's been good, definitely different. I like the job. Do I want to be working? No. I wish a check just came in magically and paid for my life so I can just do this all day long, but that is not my life. That is not reality. I have bills to pay, so I must work. So I figured we would chat. I have to read my Bible this morning, so what's nice is that I do kind of have my mornings back. Y'all have heard me complain a lot about not having my mornings. That is nice. I have my mornings back. I can have a normal routine, normal Bible routine where I wake up, just read my Bible first thing, and just really set my day up in a way to just really be focused on God and on being a better person instead of cranky. I'm gonna finish my breakfast, keep drinking my coffee, and then I'm going to read my Bible, and we can continue chatting and chat as I get ready for work. So currently I am reading in Habakkuk. I think this is the next book I'm going to do like an in-depth study video with, but I wanted to read through it first. So that's what I've been doing. I finally finished Ecclesiastes. Yeah, that took a while. No study video on that because I think I need to read that again, study it, and just, I don't know why that one was a hard book for me, but that's what I did there. So I'm reading through Habakkuk now. It's the book right after Nahum, and I figured since it's in the New American Commentary, I could just study that and then move on to other things I want to study. I'm still figuring this out. I think I'm going to do some sort of like Zoom, like a private Zoom. So I just have to figure out how to organize that, because I do want to keep it like women only, and even if it's just a small group of us. So I need to figure out exactly how I want that set up, and then figure out how I want to have you guys join it and sign up, and figure out what day works for everyone, a schedule, all that stuff. So that's probably going to be like a summer project, so keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to start getting ready for work. It's still a little early, but I figured I can it's not that early. I figured I could start getting ready and we can still chat a little bit, and then I gotta get like lunch and all that stuff ready, which is weird because I haven't had to do that in like 6 or 7 years. Packing a lunch. Weird routine. Haven't had to do that in so long, so yeah. I don't remember what I had to chat with you guys about. So we will chat. We will find something to chat about. So I don't do anything crazy to go to work. Basically the same thing I do anytime I'm putting on makeup. We are not wild over here. I did want to say, if you guys have anything you guys want to see from me, any videos or things, definitely let me know in the comment section. And I will try my best to do it and fit it into my schedule. I do try to kind of plan my videos, like certain videos or what I think I can do that week, and plan out like when I'm going to do in-depth studies. Because I like to make sure that I have the time to film and edit it, so that way it doesn't take forever for you guys to see it. But if there's something you guys really want to see or have me talk about, or if there's a certain book of the Bible you guys want me to study, definitely let me know. I'm trying to be better at writing down those things, or even if there's a book you guys want me to read and review, I have no problem doing that. I want to do another month where I just read Christian books again. That's what I did in March. I only read faith books, so I think I only read 3, but still, I think they usually take me a little longer to read anyways. So I want to do that. I know I have, like I mentioned, I want to do the book of Habakkuk. I think I want to do the Johns eventually this year too. And yeah, and probably another gospel, because I did John last year. Probably Matthew or Mark. One of those 2. So that's like my plan so far. I had wanted to do I have like I want to say mini series, but I have like this topic that I did want to do multiple videos on, so kind of like a little series. So I'm working on that, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, find it interesting. I think many of us are in the same boat for this series, and I'll give you guys more information as we get closer to it. And I was thinking about doing like a mini series on modesty, but I just feel like everyone's talking about modesty and everyone's giving their opinions, and it's like become the new, I don't want to say trendy thing, but like it's like been the topic of conversation everywhere. And I'm like, do I really need to add my 2 cents? If you guys would like my 2 cents, let me know. But I just feel like that's something everyone's talking about right now. Do we really want to hear it from another person? But if it is, oh, let me know. I will do it. I like the idea of having like little series, almost like not podcast, but like, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with my channel and having more direction and what I want this channel to be. Obviously, I want it to be a channel where we can, build community and grow in the Lord and in our walk and share our struggles and just be real. But I think it's hard. I think sometimes it's hard to be real and vulnerable, especially on the internet. It's so easy to kind of edit your life to make it look one way, or I think it's easy to see someone and just kind of decide you kind of know them, or they can't understand your struggles because you've just kind of decided you have this idea of who they are or their past and things like that. Like, I don't know, not making sense. I don't even know if I'm making sense. This is how my brain works. This is how the thoughts go in my brain. I don't really think I make sense half the time. Also, let me know if you guys just enjoy what I'm doing already. Just doing these, like, I feel like my last few videos for the month of April have just been like mornings in my life, and just kind of sharing with you what my quiet time is looking like and what I'm reading, and sharing those things. So if you just like the simpleness of those videos, definitely let me know too, because I got no idea what I'm doing here, guys. Sometimes I just turn on the camera and hope that I get something, but then sometimes I feel like I should be doing more. So My life is really not that exciting. Oh, I really need to grab some new mascara. I really don't like these. I'm not curling my lashes today. I've been trying to let my eyebrows grow out a little bit more. Some days it's rough. Some days I just feel hairy. That looks good. I am going to get ready, put the rest of myself together, get my lunch ready so I can head out for work and not be late. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was not what I planned, but hopefully it was enjoyable. And hopefully as I get into a better routine with this new job, I can produce more videos for you guys. I have plans. I have more time now. As long as my memory cards don't act crazy, we will be having more videos. My goal is once a week, at least, to always have an update, an upload. My dream would be to always have 2 uploads every week. I think anytime I've done more than that, the videos don't perform well. It's just too much of me. Y'all don't need that much of me. And it's also like a lot on me to edit. So I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah.